Good, let's go. Shoulders relaxed, faces relaxed, feeling the soles of your feet on the floor, on the ground, relaxing the face. And we'll start with a niggun, which a lot of you know. If you don't know, it's really easy to pick up. Let's start a bit lower here. Okay, it goes like this. I da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 I da 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 ya da 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 da. Okay, nice and easy tune. Whilst I'm still admitting people, let's do this first section and together, and let's go. I da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 I da da ya da 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 B section. I da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 ya da 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 da. So I'll just go round and round this tune. People are still joining. If you're singing exactly the tune, if you know it, do that. If you want to sing harmonies, sing harmonies. If you want to sing something else, you're not certain, the trick is just to open up and to get going. Okay, we'll go up and tone eventually. I da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 I da 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 I da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 da. Add more volume when we feel like it. I da 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 ya 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 da da ya da 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 I da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 ya da 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 ay ya 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 da 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 ay ya da da ya da 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 ya da 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 ya da 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 ay ya da 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 ya da 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 one more time ay da 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 ya da 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 ay ya da da So today's song is quite a big range, and some of the higher notes will be quite high for some of us. So I'm going to stretch you even further. We will sing this niggun a couple more times and higher. I da 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 da. Got lost here, see? Flat major, da 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 da, C sharp, da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 ya da 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 I da 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 ya da 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 ya da 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 Okay, let me see your faces. People are still coming in, so I'm stretching and stretching the tune. Good to see you all. Right. Hello, hello. So, who could sing it in the higher key? Ta-da-dee, yeah? Right, okay, great. Okay, well, I know that a few of you, a couple of high notes are a bit tricky. Hello, hello, yes, everything is working great. Okay, chat is open. I may not look at it, but you can chat between yourselves privately and whatever, yeah? So, here comes our tune for today. And before we sing the tune and then look into text, may I just ask you, did anyone know that song? Has anyone come across that song? No? Beth, not even you. Not even you. I've never seen this song anywhere. And I just was going through my songs and thought, oh, we've done so many songs. We've done dozens and dozens and dozens of songs. And I didn't want to do something too popular. So I found that one and I thought, okay, let's try it. And then I read a little bit about the authors of the song, the composer and the poet. Quite interesting figures, so do read about them if you have spare time. Again, traveling from Eastern Europe, one became a real beautiful cantor. I've listened to his the composer's cantorial recordings. They're fantastic. Now, before we do the whole song, let's look into the tune. To me, it's obvious that the composer knew classical music. It's not completely folky to me, but it has some folk elements. Now, this is in a very high key, good for baritones, good for sopranos, not so good for altos and tenors. We will do something in between. Some of the notes will be a bit high for some of us. Skip them or go an octave lower, okay? First thing we do, we sing through the tune, which goes like this. Ay, 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 ay. First line together. Ay, die, 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 die. Ay, die, 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 die. Second line. Die, 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 die. Die, 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 die. We have this Jewish mode, the Bessarabia, die, 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 die. Second line, yeah, die, let's go together. Die, 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 die. Die, 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 die. Not everyone reads music here, so we're going line by line, okay? Next bit. Going right up. That's the last bar in the second line. Da, 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 da. Where it says tchiles. We don't look at text yet, but it's the third bar on the second line. Let's go together. La la la. And la 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 la. And then we go right up. Before we do that, let's go from the beginning. Die, die, die. Together. And let's go. I die, 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 die. I die, 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 die. Die, 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 die. Ay, 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 ay. Going up. Da, 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 da. Now. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. So if that's too high, go here. Da, 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 da. If you can. Da, 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 da. Right? Let me just see how you're coping. Too high? No, no. Skipping it? Yeah. Oh, Jackie, if you're okay, then everyone is okay. Great. Back to the tune. Back to the tune. Let's go from the beginning and enjoy the melody all the way from the beginning. People are still coming in. Lovely. So, die, die, die. All right, let's go. Die, 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 die. We're on the fourth line, a second bar. Da, 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 da. Last line. Da, 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 da. Going forwards. Da, da, da. All right. So some of the motifs from the beginning repeat towards the end. It's kind of it's within the same frame of melodic variation here and there, but each line is obviously different. Let's sing through the whole tune. Any questions so far? I know that for non-music readers it can be a little bit confusing, or you're just chatting here about all sorts of things and working and getting speed per minute, and that note, yeah, that speed. All right, okay, all good. We will sing the tune one more time all the way through, okay? Okay. Da da da. And let's go. I die 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 die. I I I die 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 die. I die die die. Die, 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 die. I die, 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 die. Die, da, die, die, I die, die. I die, 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 I die, die. I die, I die, I die, die. I da, die, die, I die, da. Die, da, die, die, I die, die. I Okay, lovely little tune. So let's look at our text. I guess here, probably, let's read it together. I guess we can do this. Brochen, yeah, together in the rhythm of the song. Let's go. 1, 2, slowly. Zerbrochen unser Dachel. Ist schon bald ein Jahr. If anyone has questions, you can switch your sound on, because I won't see your hands. Ask them, right? So here, our roof, zerbrochen, it's broken, unser Dachel, our roof. Yeah, our roof is broken. Ist schon bald ein Jahr, it's already been a year. Next line, let's go. As strift a Regendl, fillen mir es gor. And when a rain happens, we really feel it, right? You can imagine. Good. Next line. 3, 4. Chiles klappen tropen lech. Gleich zu mir in Betele. See, I had to look up Chiles. I didn't know that word. Apparently it's from Hebrew, yeah? So initially, at first, klappen tropen lech, like a little tropen is like a little path, yeah?
Drops.
Fall down, drip down little drops. Gleich zu mir in Betele, straight into my bed, right? Yeah, next bed, let's go. Läuft und bringt a Teller unser Schwester Etele. So läuft, runs, und bringt and brings a Teller, a bowl, a bowl, I guess, yeah? Our sister Etele. So let's sing just that with the music. Can you see this? Is that okay? Or shall I make it bigger? I can make it a little bit bigger. I'll have to scroll. Let me see. Like that, like that. Let's try. Sis zerbrochen. So it's your top line under the music. Let's go. Sis zerbrochen unser Dechel. Sis schon bald ein Jahr. Und es trifft der Regen, du vielen Meeresgor. Vieles Klappen, Tropfen, Blech, gleich zu mir in Bethele, läuft und bringt a Teller, unsere Schwester Etele. Okay, let's look at the rest. We have Kapen Zurich. Zurich will be, we need to pronounce quickly. There are two syllables pronounced short together. Kapen Zurich die Tropelach. Okay, let's go together. 3 and 4. Kapen Zurich die Tropelach. Gleich zu mir in Schissele. So drip straight into the tropelach. Help me, tropelach. I know it's like a Russian tropa. Help me, what's tropelach? Good English word for it.
Drops. Drops.
Paths.
It's a cognate drop. Drop up.
Yeah. Is that a good? Yeah, I guess. Okay. So
I don't think it's related to the Russian. I'm not sure.
No, tropa is like a line, like a straight line, really. No, tropelach. So it drips straight into the schissel, into the plate, into the bowl. Läuft und bringt a Teller unser Bruder Nisele. So runs out and brings a Teller, a plate, unser Bruder Nisele, our brother Nisele. So tell me, schissel is a bowl, right? You eat soup out of a bowl, out of a schissel. And the Teller is a plate, right? It's flat, right? Okay, Yiddish dishes. So let's look at what happens here. Yeah, Beth, you wanted to say something?
I think that trop is both drop, like a drop of water, and trop as an accent. So I'm almost like both of them could work here.
Right. So I guess
first we hear little drops, like our accent. They're making an accent, like their note, like an accent. The trop is literally
accent. Yeah, drops. Well, I don't know. It's just strange. It just sounds strange to translate as accent in this song, but drops. Yeah, drops. Okay, let's look at the last Kapen Zurich. So we are on the third line from the bottom here. Kapen Zurich. Here, Kapen. I can't indicate it. Right in the middle of what you're seeing. Kapen Zurich. Okay, 1, 2. Let's go. Kapen Zurich, die Trabelech, gleich zu mir in Schissele, läuft und bringt a Teller. I'm hearing someone, make sure you're muted. Unser Bruder Nisele, unser Bruder Nisele. Wraps up nicely into the lower note. Come back. Okay, so let me see. Somebody's unmuted, no? Everything is fine? Great. The whole verse? Yeah? Come on, everyone, give me a nod. Yes? The whole verse? Ready? Yeah, okay. Let's do this. I think it's a lovely little tune. Okay, let's go. s'ist zerbrochen unser Dechel, s'ist schon bald ein Jahr. Und es trifft a Regen, du fielen mir es gar. Jedes Kappentroppenlech gleich zu mir in Bettele, läuft und bringt a Teller, unser Schwester Etele, Kappen zurück die Trabelech, gleich zu mir in Schüssele, läuft und bringt a Teller, unser Bruder Nissele, unser Bruder Nissele. Let's just enjoy the tune and just sing it as a niggin. Ay, die, 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 die. Die, 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 die. Ay, die, 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 ay, die, die. Ay, die, 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 die. Ay, 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 die, 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 die. Ay, die, 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 ay, die, die. Ay, die, 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 ay, die, die. Ay, die, 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 die. Ay, die, 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 ay, die, die. Ay, die, 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 die. Ay, die, ay, die, 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 die. Let me see what's happening in our chat. Any clarifications? Any? I know Dutch is gonna explain English. Paul is not here. You know what? Paul is celebrating his 70th birthday, so he has a really good excuse. He has a really good excuse, and him and his partner tested COVID negative. So they're really happy to go somewhere for their little holiday. Right? Okay, good. Now let's look at the second verse, right? And you see that there are only 2 verses, and each verse consists of these 1, 2, 3, 4, another 4, and another 4, and usually of 12 lines, which is, I think, good for a change. Next bit, Kappen schon die Tropelach. Let's go read together. 1, 2, 3, and Kappen schon die Tropelach auf alle Bank und Tischelech. So all the drops are they're dripping from all the benches, I guess. What are these? Benches and tables.
Chairs.
Cheers.
Chairs, yeah, thank you. Chairs, yeah. And the next line, let's go. Und der Tate hoch mit sich wird man haben Fischelech. And the father is having fun. Hoch mit sich is joking, right? What's he doing?
He's being a wise man.
Yeah, wise guy.
Well,
He's making a wisecracks.
you see, Chochma is it wisdom in Hebrew?
Yes.
It's interesting because in Russia we have a word Chochma. I'm sure it came from Hebrew. But it means Chochma, a joke, an anecdote, a joke.
It's
what
both.
the
It's like
Chochma.
he's making wisecracks. It's
Yeah.
the same thing. Like he's joking about things.
He's joking, yeah.
Yeah. And he's making jokes. We're going to catch fish here, right? We're going to catch fish, right? Next bit. Let's look at the Werd die Mama, yeah? 1, 2, together. Werd die Mama recht in Kas, hoch mes im gefallen. You see, we'll have to stretch some syllables here, right, to fit into music. And the mother she's angry. Oh, he likes his jokes, right? He's making fun here, right? Läuft und bringt a Teller noch, wird man unterstellen. And she runs and brings another teller, another plate, yet another plate to put under. Right? Oy vey. Let's just read the last bit. together let's go. Kapen zurück die Tropelech, do in alle Seiten. So all they still keep dripping all these drops from all the sides, yeah, here from all the sides, in all sides. Und die Mama weint und klagt, oi, es ist bittere Zeiten. And the mother she cries and clogged, complains, right? Complains, oh, it's bitter times. You know, we've been trying to get some plumbers in our house for quite a while now, and it's just not happening. It really sings to me. Right, let's go. Second line. Let me see your faces first. Is everything okay? Is anything all right? We're going to sing the second verse. Let me just check. I'm copying before. More. Brain is more. Aha, wisdom. Yes, you're right. And complain bitter times. Exactly. Let's look at the second verse. Sing it slowly, and then we can play with it. There is so much we can do with it, characterfully. Okay. Kapen schoin. Okay. Let's go. Kapen schoin die Trobelech auf alle Bank und Tischelech und der Tate chochmet sich wird men Kapen fischelech warte Mama recht in de Kass chochmes ihm gefallen läuft und bringt a Teller noch wird men unterstellen Kapen zurück die Trobelech do in alle Seiten und die Mama weht und klagt oi, es ist bittere Zeiten oi, es ist bittere Zeiten. All right, I think we can sing the whole song. You know what, we have quite a lot of time, 15 minutes to just go over the song a few times. So we will sing Yababai, then go into the song, then Yababai, then go into the song, play with it, have fun with it, okay? Get a note, guess what's going on here, complain bitter times, maybe, okay, right.
Polina,
Uh-huh,
I just have one question. The very last phrase, the very last measure,
uh-huh.
is that a particular mode?
No, it's, you know, it's harmonic minor really. So if you here we in E minor, we are ta da. So we would play B, so we will play just a 5, major 5 ta da di da 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 da. We're in C minor, so we're playing G ta da 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 da. So the only really modal, unusual modal thing that makes it really Jewish is that element in the second line. Ta ta da 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 da, which is a Yishtabach cadence. Yeah, da 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 da. The rest is really minor. Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. But it's interesting that he knows Leib Glantz, who sang proper old style cantorial music. You know, he knew the modes, and he obviously knew classical music, and he knew Jewish folklore. So he combined all these things, which is a nice. I like it when there is something folk. Something that indicates it's Yiddish, it's Jewish, not just minor. I die together. Yalla bye. I die 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 die. I die 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 die. I die I die die. I die 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 die. verse. Es ist zerbrochen unsere Dächer, es ist schon bald ein Jahr. Und es trifft der Regen, du, vielen mir es Gott. Jedes Klappen, Tropfen, Lech, gleich zu mir in Bettele, läuft und bringt der Teller, unser Schwester Etele, kappen zurück die Tropelech, gleich zu mir in Schissele, läuft und bringt der Teller, unser Bruder Nisele, unser Bruder Nisele. Second verse. Kappen schon die Tropelech auf alle Bänk und Tischelech. Und Tat hoch mit sich, wetten men hapen Fischelech. Wart die Mama recht in de Kass, hoch mes ihm gefällt, läuft und bringt a Teller noch, wird man unterstellen. Kappen zurück die Tropelech, do in alle Seiten, und die Mama weint und klagt, ois is bittere Zeiten, ois is bittere Zeiten. Ai, 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 da, 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 ai, 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 Okay, what do you think? It's a fun little thing, isn't it? Okay, any thoughts?
Neber.
Thanks, Jill. Thank you. Yeah. Let me see.
Is that short?
Uh-huh. Lol. Offers to sing to the plumbers. Oh yeah. Yeah. I don't know many of these songs quite like that, although there are all sorts of jokey songs about poverty, about things not going well for a family, but this is not too desperate, not dark at all, right? You don't get this impression that it's dark. It's not dark. Although you could probably sing the last lines, "So es ist bittere Zeiten," such bitter times. But I tried to sing this song, interpret this song in this kind of sarcastic, bitter way. I can't make it much more bitter than it is. I think it's still meant as a joke. It's still meant as a quarrel between the parents and things being a bit funny. Oh, never mind. This is all leaking. It's all happening, but never mind, right? It's not negative and bad. What I also think is interesting is that there are many, many different ways to harmonize it. Jill, you're unmuted. Do you want to say something else? Go on.
No, I'll mute again. Sorry.
Yeah, you can speak. We have time. So I like it that there are many ways you can harmonize it. and there are in the second line many different chords you can put underneath that. The Israeli compilation where I got that song from has ridiculous chords. I just don't play them. They're ridiculous. They're super popular. Sometimes they don't even fit. So I play my own. Now, if we don't have anything else to say, then I guess we just sing it one more time. Before we do that, let me make a couple of announcements. First of all, thank you to everyone who is paying. Some of you are paying generously. Some are not, which is fine as well. Next week we are meeting again. It's our last out of the announced 4 sessions, our last meeting. I will be doing it from Russia. Fingers crossed it'll all work. The internet should be okay. I'm considering doing more sessions in February because I'm free on Mondays in February. From March, I will be working on Mondays. So I would like to know if any of you know already that they would like to come to 4 Mondays in February. Can we have a show of hands? Oh, that's quite a lot of you. Okay. You see, that I'll book Zoom for the next month and then I'll do that. Yeah, okay. Great. So, yeah, okay. Let's do that. Let's do that. I'm free on Monday, so let's do that. Wonderful. Okay. So, I guess all we do now is we enjoy the song one more time. Play with it, make it a bit more theatrical. Maybe I'll sing some harmony somewhere. Let's be a bit more relaxed with this. All right, let's go. Sis zerbrochen unser Dechel, sis schön bald ein Jahr. Und es trifft der Regen, du fehlen mir es gar. Ihres Knappen trocken gleich zu mir in Bethele, läuft und bringt der Teller unser Schwester Edele. Kappen zurück die Troppelech, gleich zu mir in Schüssele, läuft und bringt der Teller unser Bruder Nüssele, unser Bruder Nüssele. Let's sing it again. Ay da 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 ya da 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 da. Ay da 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 ya da 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 ya da 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 da. If we remember the tune. I die, 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 die. remember. Die, die, die. I die, 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 I die, die. I die, 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 I die, die. I die, I die, die. I die, I die, I die, die. I die, die, I die, die. I die, 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 die. I die, 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 I die, die. I die, 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 die. I die, die, die. Oh, es ist bittere Zeiten. I hope these times are not too bitter for us. I hope that we will get out of them very soon. So I guess that's it for today. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat. You can make a whole song appear on the screen. Usually enlarge. Oh, I didn't know you can enlarge it on your screen. Is that right? Ooh.
Yes, you can. We can use it, view option at the top, so you can make it easy for yourself and put the whole song on your screen.
Does
You have
everyone know?
trouble with
Everyone knows how to do it? Okay. Okay.
We can do it ourselves, so it saves you some trouble.
Because my laptop is not big. It's a laptop. It's not a big full screen computer. Good. So I guess I'll see you next time. Yeah. See you next Monday. Thank you for coming. Bye everyone. Thank you. Have a good week. Bye.